win. You know, we deserve this win. You guys worked too hard to leave this first day without a win. And you guys know it. I know you all know it. All right? So let's go out there. Let's take it to them. Let's get this win, all right? This is for you.